Hello viewers, I welcome you all in today's video. As we have discussed the types of the functions like one function, onto function and the bijective function in the last video. So let's go through now another type of the function, that is the into function. Into function. What's the into function? If we have a function from a set x to the y, okay, let f be a function. So then we say that then this f is called into function. इस f को हम into function कब कहेंगे? If the range of f is not equal to the codomain y. जो इस फंक्शन का जो रेंज होगा वो कोडोमेन के बराबर नहीं आना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स जो range of f है that should be a proper subset of codomain of f. Okay, so इसका मतलब क्या है? That is, there must be an element at least of codomain. कोडोमेन में एक ऐसा कम से कम एक ऐसा एलिमेंट मिलना चाहिए which is not the image of any element of domain x. दैट मीन्स एक ऐसा एलिमेंट मिलना चाहिए हमें कोडोमेन में जिसकी प्री इमेज नहीं होगी. दैट मीन्स एटलीस्ट वन एलिमेंट शुड बी देयर फ्रॉम योर कोडोमेन सच दैट that element has not the pre-image. For example, if your x is given to be 1, 2, 3, your y is given to be k, l, m, n, and p. Now I will define a function from x to y. There's a function f. So in the x we have 1, 2, 3, and in the y we have k, l, m, n, and p. So I associate 1 with the k, 2 with the n, and 3 with the p. Now you can check here, you have the element l and m in the codomain that has not the pre-image. So that means this function f is into function. You can check that here the range of f, that is k, n, and p, is the subset of y, even the proper subset of y. That's why it is a into function. Okay. Now another function that we are going to discuss is one into function. One to one into function. Okay, so if you have a function from a set x to a set y, be a function, then this function f is called one to one into function if this is if f is one to one and it is not onto. Okay, so for example I will make, so that means if it is not into, so that means it is not onto, so that means it is into. Okay, so for example I will make a function from one set, let's say it is x, this is the y, and I will take the same elements here as, let's say, k, l and m. So I will take the elements here 1 2 3 and 4. Now I make this function f to be 1 1, so I associate k with 1, l with, for example, 4, m with 3. So now you can check every different image, every different element or of the domain has a different image. So this is 1 1, so this is 1 to 1, and there is one element here in the codomain that has not the pre-image, so that means it is into. So this function is called the 1 1 into function. Okay, so now the next one that we are going to discuss is the many one function. Many one function. So if we have a function from a set x to the y, if this is a function, then we say that this function, then this f is said to be many one function if there exists two or more than two different elements in the domain having the same image in y. So that means if it is not 1 1, so actually we say that if there exists the elements at the two or the more than two that has the same image in the codomain. Let's just define a function. For example, we will define, okay, sorry, yeah, so let's define a function from one set to the another set. Okay, so let's take here the elements as 1 2 3 4 5, and I will choose here x y and z. So now, so if we will associate 1 with the x, let's take 2 with the same x. Okay, so let's choose this 2 with the x as well. So let's take this 3 with the y. Okay, 4 with the x, 5 with the z. So you can check that this function here, the three elements, that is 1 2 and 4, has the same image. So this is many one function. So the many one means more than one element is there that has the same image. Okay, for example, if we will go for the another function, for example I will make it here. If you have a function, let's say a b and c, and here you have the 1 and 2, so then if a is associated with 1, b is associated with 1, c is associated with 1, so this is also the many one function. Even we say that the constant function is the many one when you have the, so in the domain you have more than the one element. Okay, so this is many one, that means more than one element of the domain has the same image. So now with respect to this many one, we have another type, that is many one onto. By the name itself, you can check that, or you can get directly from here, that a function that is one to one, and sorry, that is many one and that is onto both, so then we will say it is many one onto. So if if we have if we have the function, let's say let f be a function from your set x to the set y, so be a function, then this function f is called many one. Okay, many one onto. Okay, so we call the function as many one onto if and only if this function is many one and it is onto both. So for example, if I will make a function here 1 2 3 and 4, I will take the codomain as k and l. So now 1 will associate with k, 2 is associated with k, 3 with l, 4 with k. So you can check that every element of your codomain has a pre-image, so that means it is onto, and you can check more than the one element of the domain has the same image, so that means it is many one. So similarly, you have the many one into function, so that is if it is many one and that is into, for example here, so more than the one element has the same image, so this is many one, and there is one element which has not the pre-image, so this is many one into function. Okay, so this was about the types of the functions. Now let's discuss now another type, or the definition is the equal function. Equal function. In the equal functions, so for example, okay, we will directly go through the definition. So if we have the two functions, consider we have the two functions f and g. So these are the two functions that are defined from a same set, so from a set x to the set y. Then we say that these two functions, the functions f and g, are called, or is said to be equal. Okay, so these are called the equal functions if and only if. So if and only if, so we are calling this as a if and only if. Okay, so first of all, if and only if f of a should be equal to g of a for all the elements, for all the elements of a belongs to domain, that's your x. So that means for all elements that are in the common domain, so as we have considered the domain as to be here, that's same. So what's actual here, so we say that two functions are equal, two functions f and g are equal if two conditions are there. The first condition is that the domain should be same, so that is domain of your function f should be equal to the domain of your function g. Second condition should be that codomain of your f should be equal to codomain of your function g. And the third condition is that f of x should be equal to g of x for all the elements which are in your domain. Okay, then we say the two functions are equal. Okay, so if any of the condition does not satisfy, we say that the functions are not equal. For example, I will take the function here in this way. Okay, so if I have a function f, define it from x y z, okay, to the 1 2 3 4, and there is a function f such that x is defined, that is associated with 3, y is with 1, z with 4, and this is a function f. Now I make the another function x y z 1 2 3 and 4, x y z 1 2 3 and 4. So if I associate x with, let's say, 3, y with 1, and z with 2, okay, so x with 3, y with 1, z with, let's say, 4. So now if this is a function g, this is a function h, so you can check that the function f is equal to g, sorry, h. So not with g, because the x is associated with 3, yes, y is associated with 1, but z is associated with 4, but here it is associated with 3, so f is not equal to g. So this way we are defining the equal functions. So now in the next video we will go through the another types of the functions. Thank you.